What's going on, guys? I want to go over the importance of offering more services and being able to close more over the phone. I had a video previously where I go over 2 sales objections that allow me to win every single time, but this right here is where you're able to take somebody from, hey, maybe that first service that you wanted to pitch them is not the one that they now want, but now you have a service that helps them with that extra pain point. So, recently someone got on the phone with me. They were asking me how, they can online advertise and basically get more customers. But then we realized that that person's niche was not the best for Facebook because of compliance reasons and just having a very, very small target audience. And what we were able to do was we were able to pivot him from Facebook paid ads to then localized Google ads along with SEO, which is going to be more hyper targeted for his niche, allow him to acquire more customers, beat his competition, and steal their traffic and customers. And when you put it in the client's mind or prospect's mind like that, they're more willing to actually respect you, and they're more excited because now you just offer them something that makes sense. It's exactly what they want. It hits their pain points. And now they know that you actually are very diverse in your knowledge, that you know all these different services, and your credibility just took a huge boost. So this is a very quick video, but I really want to go over that because a lot of people just offer one service and one service only. And when you can't branch out, you're not able to scale. You don't have much scalability when you only have that one skill, even though it's good to go in on one skill, but once you have a really good skill, you can branch off to other things and still be, a little bit above average. So understand that if you're an agency owner, offer more services. You can't just be that Facebook ad guy. Like I have an SEO agency. I have a Google ad agency. I do e-commerce. I do lead generation qualification. I do sales training. I do tons of services that any business owner can basically reach out to me for because I'm good. I'm an expert in most of those fields. I have the results to back it up. And that's really it. And people just like working with me because I'm down to earth. I understand their problems and I'm the solution. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like it below and I'll see you guys in the next one.